Bitcoin just broke above 64,000. Are we going up higher? Or is this where we head down lower? That's what I'm going to talk about in this video. And I'm going to talk about something really important about Black Friday. Listen to this. This is going to be a good one, guys. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, I want to talk about the price of Bitcoin as we have broken above 64,000. Are we going to go higher, like I just said, or are we going to head down lower? And what would cause us to go down lower? Plus, stick around, I'm going to talk about Black Friday, like I just mentioned, and it's not what you're thinking about. All right. Okay, so again, Bitcoin 64,000. We hit that level. Where are we at? Sorry, I'm standing behind. I'm in Sioux Falls, South Dakota right now, up at an event, and I wanted to go walk around the falls down there, but they got it gated off, so we've got to stand here. So we're dealing with the train, we're dealing with the waterfall, and then we're dealing with Bitcoin. So we've been talking about how Bitcoin looks like it's having a summer rally. In July, we could go up to a little higher, 65, 66, or it's possible that could be it right there. We're at a pretty strong resistance, but it does look like we may squeeze a little higher up to 66. Now, if we get to 66.5, now that is going to be something to watch, because if we get above 65, and we start holding daily candles above 66,500, well, then market structure is going to change and we could be going higher even to 70K. Now, does that mean we're going to go from 70K all the way up to 120,000, 161,000 overnight? Absolutely not. The probabilities of us getting to 70K, there's a probability of us getting there and then rolling back over for another low in this cycle. That is the probability. So that's probability number one. Probability number two is we've hit the high right here, 64,000, and then we head down to even lowers and we start playing around with the high 50s, mid 50s, and start to even roll down even more. Next scenario is this is the bottom, and we're just going to chop around in this range between 70, 60s, high 50s for the next several months. And maybe we have a capitulation down into the mid 50s, maybe even the 40s. That would be an extreme capitulation. So I guess what I'm saying to you is we are in this range. We are in this area of undervalued Bitcoin, meaning this is the time when you start to consider DCAing and buying Bitcoin. Okay? Now, remember, even buying Bitcoin at these levels, historically, in the long run, pays off. Talk about 3 years down the road. Many people don't have the patience for that, but if you want to make money in Bitcoin, that generally is the best rule to follow. So even though you might see it go down 20, 30% from here, in the long term, it will cycle back up. So I want to talk about one of the best ways to invest in Bitcoin right now. And that is, as we've been talking about, dollar cost averaging at these key critical levels. Between now and January are some of the best times. And so you take percentage of your capital, maybe take fourths of it, maybe divide it by 6 and just go in each month. That's one of the ways that you could do it. And then just be patient. Don't look at the price. Don't look at the price. Wait about 2.5 years before you even look at the price. And then start to accumulate out, or to dollar cost average out of the markets when everyone's getting euphoric and excited, and when Bitcoin hits 160,000, 180,000, maybe we even go up higher. That's when you start to scale out of the markets. And that's how you make money in Bitcoin. So I want to talk about Black Friday. Let me turn over here so you guys can get a better angle here. I want to talk about Black Friday. So Black Friday, if you're not from the US, is a sale that started happening, I think it was around the .com era, where all the companies online were coming and companies would start having Black Friday sales. And, oh, maybe that was Cyber Monday. I don't know, Black Fridays basically are the time when businesses and that will just greatly reduce the prices. It started kind of out about Thanksgiving time, and oh, there's a big old freaking frog over there crawling across the sidewalk right there. Anyway, so you know, Black Friday is where everyone discounts everything and it's super cheap. And if you've seen the videos of people at Walmart and they're waiting for the Black Friday sales to open, and it's a mad rush in there to grab the toys and the TVs, and fights break out and everyone's excited to go in and get the discounted items. Well, I want you to think about something. I want you to think about crypto, because Bitcoin and other altcoins are on Black Friday sales right now. Now, the Black Friday sale is not just one day, it's going to extend for the next several months. But after that, Black Friday sales are over. And after that, people are then going to be just chasing the price. So I want to ask you this question. Ask yourself, do you want a deal, or do you want to buy something when it's more expensive? Really think about that. Really think about that. Now, let me tell you why. It sounds easy to buy low and sell high, right? But when it actually comes time to doing it, you have to really train your brain. So what you have to consider is, we are in the Black Friday window. This is the Black Friday window. Even at this level, Black Friday windows can be good. Now, can it go down lower? Absolutely can go down lower, and that's why you don't ever go all in. So we have an indicator here at the Crypto Code called the TCC Cycle Pro, and it helps with this Black Friday discount. Now, here's what's a little different about it, because nobody wants to buy the dip and then the dip keeps dipping. Now, right now at these levels, you're generally okay to do that. Just understanding you don't go all in, you dollar cost average at certain levels, and then you wait over time. That's scenario one, and that's the Black Friday deal. Now, the other way to buy Black Friday is to wait until our TCC Cycle Pro indicator flips green. And when it flips green, that is the time that you can get into altcoins and you can get into Bitcoin. Now, for example, I've got one on a token named TIA. That just flipped green. Now, I'm not saying you should buy Celestia. It's just called TIA is the ticker. I'm up 7.83%. But historically, when our indicator flips green, TIA has done about a 60%. And so, yes, I go in at a certain level. When it flips green, I do set a stop loss. And then I play this up and I scale out. I do this with multiple altcoins as well. And so that's one of my favorite ways. For example, if you would have got into Hype, you would have, it's already gone up almost 200% since it flipped green. I was looking at Injective Protocol, you would have done 100% in just the span of a handful of months before you got out. It's a great way to cycle trade, and then when we get in that Black Friday cycle moment and it flips green again, that's generally a spot to hold on for a while on some of these altcoins. And this is when you see those 500% gains, 600% gains, even 1,000% gains on some altcoins. So I guess what I'm saying is, this is the window. This is the time to take crypto serious. This is the time to start dollar cost averaging. This is the time to use our TCC Cycle Pro indicator and our dashboard and start getting into altcoins when they flip green. Start getting into Bitcoin when it flips green. In addition to that, you can trade. That's what we do at the Crypto Code. I've got several trades where we've been going long and short. Got a $9,000 trade, been playing this from the bottom, and I've got one that I've got a little short going right now that I may hit a stop loss on. Who knows if we go up more, but if we don't go up more, it'll be a nice trade as well. So there's a lot of ways to make money in crypto, and you have to decide which method fits you the best. We teach several methods. We teach trading, intraday trading, swing trading, we do our trade plans. We teach TCC Cycle Pro, when to buy when it flips green, when to get out when it flips red. That's how we got into Bitcoin at 17,000, 15,500, and sold it between 113 to 120,000. All using that TCC Cycle Pro indicator. And then the third way is automation. We use bots. That'll be for another video. So lots of ways to make money in crypto. This is the Black Friday zone. We're in the Black Friday zone. Please pay attention. This is the time to take crypto serious. This is the time to take crypto serious. And yes, it goes up and down and up and down, but Black Friday, guys, you're gonna come back to this video, bookmark this video, come back in 3 years, 3.5 years from now, and see where the price is now. I dare you, I challenge you. You can either watch us do it, or you can do it with us. If you wanna learn how to do it with us, go down in the description of this video, go to our workshop, register for the workshop. We'll teach you all about how to get started, and we give you 3 free gifts. This is Joel with the Crypto Code. As always, take massive action in your life in anything you do. Always trade with a plan, and don't forget it's Black Friday. All right, see you guys, bye-bye. Hey, if you liked that video, there's another one right here. You can click on it and learn more about what we do. Also, you can go down in the description of this video, get a free risk calculator. You can check out our workshop. You can check out all the resources here at the Crypto Code. If you want content that's going to teach you how to finally be profitable in crypto, trading, investing, hit the like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and we'll see you guys in the video. And if you have questions, comment down below. We answer every single one. Take care, guys.